Ireland is set for a blast of Arctic weather, as temperatures could potentially plunge to as low as -5 degrees. Met Éireann have forecast freezing fog, ice, frost and snowfalls across parts of Ireland, as an Atlantic high-pressure zone, which delivered mild and dry weather conditions over Christmas, begins to weaken. In its place, freezing winds from Scandinavia and the Arctic will sweep down over Ireland, bringing dry but freezing temperatures. The worst of the cold snap is expected from Friday evening, though it will remain very cold over New Year's Day. From Friday, temperatures will significantly drop, with the lows of potentially -5 degrees in the early hours of Saturday morning. On Saturday, some areas will struggle to rise above freezing, with maximum daytime temperatures of between 2 degrees and 5 degrees. Some northern areas will see snowfalls, with the worst of the snowfalls expected over northern Donegal, Derry, Tyrone, Antrim and parts of Down. However, parts of North Leinster and North Connacht could also see snowfalls. Gardaí have urged motorists to drive with care given the potentially challenging driving conditions with ice, frost and freezing fog. Freezing temperatures will continue into next week, with next week also seeing the return of school children to classrooms nationwide. Emergency services have also urged people to take extreme care when outdoors during the freezing snap, particularly those hill walking on higher ground. Temperatures are expected to remain exceptionally cold until the end of next week, with Met Éireann's long-term forecast indicating that it will remain dry but exceptionally cold into the middle of January.